Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming exactly which Intel HD graphics chip and Windows build you have, because the wrong file breaks things. Once done, make a system restore point and back up any unsaved work. This protects you if reinstalling fails. After that, open Device Manager to copy the model name and driver date. Next, download the Intel driver and support assistant, or the matching driver package from Intel, using that model and OS info so you can install the correct update. Now proceed to detection and retrieval. If you run Intel DSA, it scans and offers the compatible driver automatically. Accept and download. If you downloaded a manual package, extract it and verify the INF and version, match your Device Manager entry. That prevents mismatches. Once ready, close apps using the GPU. If you prefer a clean install, uninstall the current driver in Device Manager and check delete the driver software when prompted. Otherwise, just run the installer and follow on-screen prompts. Run the downloaded installer with administrator rights and follow its prompts. Installers often replace components and may reboot automatically. After installation, reboot now rather than later to finalize driver activation. When Windows restarts, confirm the updated driver version in Device Manager and open the Intel Graphics Control Panel or settings to test display scaling and performance. If graphics problems appear, immediately roll back via Device Manager or boot to safe mode and uninstall the driver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.